Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this drone here. There we go. I'll go fly it around the room here. Do a little house tour. Forward, little guy. Forward. All right. I can look at my thing here. Oh, no. See where we're at in the house. And we can watch the video there. Down there. Oh. All right, bring it back. Oh, down. Okay, landed. Okay. All right, my friends. So, it's really cool. Yeah, a lot of fun. It seems to be fairly durable. I've crashed it a couple times. The battery fell off that time, but yeah, I'll share the video with this. Actually, really decent. The quality for this thing, the video and everything is like pretty good. Pretty impressed, actually. So, stop that. So, anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was informative. Great little fun toy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.